And next thing is what we are going to see is like primary and secondary insurance. Here you should know, say for example, there is a child and both the parents are working and they also have their own insurance. Now, how are you going to determine, say the child has a problem and he's getting admitted. Now, which insurance, whose insurance comes into picture now? Is it the father or of the mother? Here you need to know there is some rule called as the birthday rule comes into effect. Calendar year or the whichever month comes in the first, say the calendar month, whichever comes first, say if your father and mother, father has been born in like February 1978 and mother has been born in, it's like March 1980. February comes in front of March. So February, so father's insurance comes primary. So this is called as birthday rule. Birthday rule helps you to establish which comes as primary and which comes as secondary. Always, most of the time, Medicare becomes a secondary payer. If there is any other commercial insurance, we'll have to build the commercial first and then Medicare, because we have something called as MSP where Medicare is a secondary payer and Medicaid is a payer of last resort. When everything else has been exhausted, finally you will have to build